what we always do. We're appearing at A16Z. The year is 2018. It's completely different from the world of calendar. The NGO teaching kids AI. Today I'm proud of myself because I was sick, but I still managed to post content, still did the interviews for our business dev person, still improve the platform, but then you have to take care of yourself sometimes when you're sick. So we're grabbing dinner, we're having burgers, and this view's good. There's an event going on and I wanted to skip it, but the connections you make, it's nice, so I'll try to go there. It's right here at my Union Square, so I will go there. But the team's been killing it too. We had a meeting with them. They're all doing amazing with the courses. The ideas they're bringing is amazing. So today we did take it slow with the VC outreach. That was the only thing missing, but later on I might send out a few emails or texts just to make sure we're on track. So currently at the event, met a couple of founders already. VC Scouts already told us to apply to their accelerator. People are interested in our product, which is super exciting. I love the product itself too. But we'll see. Taking it slow for today. Still meeting other founders, but taking it slow bit by bit. So I sent my pitch deck and an email to A16Z. So we finally did the VC outreach. We didn't let them post stop us, and I actually saw that they have a New York office here, which I didn't know. It's in Soho, so we might pay them a visit tomorrow, which is exciting. Yeah, that is a big win for them. Another day, another way. Today's a Friday, and today we're doing something exciting. I found out that A16Z's office is here in Soho. Currently I'm in Soho, so what I'm doing is, what we always do. We're appearing at A16Z. Their thesis actually aligned, so they care about American dynamism, which means they care about what are pressing factors in America right now, like what does the government support. And right now AI upskilling is the hottest #1 ticking thingy, which makes so much sense with our movement of making people AI fluent. So what, we're trying. So I've never been on this side of Soho. It's almost like when you head to Chinatown, it's like in between. That is where the office is. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Another day, another exciting try. Okay, so made it to the building. A16Z is in this building right here. So let's head up, and the person's general partner name is Ariana that I really want to talk to. So I did a quick LinkedIn research right now, and we found people here in New York who are general partners. So when we go, we're not like, hey, I'm just here. I'm here for this specific person. Okay, so we got into the A16Z, signed in a tablet, and then so he's literally setting me up. But then so I said Ariana Simpson. But then Ariana's not here because it's lunchtime. She's out of office. It's just, so we might try again. So maybe like Tuesday, Wednesday, peak business times. I think we might do it. Okay, so an exciting thing came to mind. It's one of the A16Z partners here in NYC, but he works in crypto. We connected over cold email, so I was cold emailing every A16Z partner, but this partner was super enthusiastic. He loved our pitch. He forwarded it to investment team before, and he messaged me on LinkedIn. He was like, hey, any way I can help, feel free. I forward your deck to the investment team, everything's. So now I texted him. I see that he's based in the Soho office, so I texted him and it was like, hey, I came by your office, tried to meet Ariana. She was not there. What time would be perfect? What day? And also, who would be like a perfect person to talk to? So I just DM'd him that message on LinkedIn. Hopefully you get a response. But that way, having your person in is key. So small connections connecting. So we'll see. But today, Friday, we'll do video editing. Weekly YouTube vlog would be released. and that's the plan for today. And later on, there is an Ethiopian New Year. Yeah, so yesterday was an Ethiopian New Year. There's an Ethiopian event happening in Brooklyn, so we might head out there later tonight. But before then, we'll do editing, weekly reflections, and tomorrow I'm starting work at this NGO teaching AI to kids. I will be in Queens, so that's something new. So I really have to create the course outline from scratch. It's their first time they're doing this, so they basically told me to do everything in regards to course creation. So I'll be creating the whole course later on. So it's exciting. It's an exciting part of the day. It's something to do on Saturdays, teaching kids AI and coding. Sounds super exciting. So yeah, let's head out, grab lunch, catch up with fam, and then we'll get to work. Crazy productive day. Wrapped up editing, wrapped up my weekly analysis, wrapped up the syllabus. I literally used AI. With the help of AI, we came up with a great syllabus that can actually help the kids. You know, it's very on point. It'll help them use the different AI tools, but then for their specific age range. And now I'm heading to an Ethiopian event. Since yesterday was an Ethiopian New Year. You know, Ethiopia has their own New Year. It happens in September, and the year is 2018. It's completely different from the world of calendar. And yeah, so there's a New Year celebration happening. There's this happening here in Soho. You know, it's a big ass carnival, which is super exciting, and it's Friday, so it's exciting. It's an exciting day. Everyone, like, the energy, it gives out excitement down here. So yeah, let's head out there. To the event. It's so loud out here. Welcome back. Today's a Saturday, so I'm heading to the NGO in Queens to teach AI to the kids. First day, super excited. Just got here. Up my session at the NGO teaching kids AI, and it's super exciting. You know, what I planned was super simple for them, so we went crazy. Like day one, we were already creating websites using AI, and they even created 2 websites in their first day. And these kids are like 11 years old, 9 years old kids creating amazing websites, you know, like study helpers, or you know, just understood code, understood how AI works. So we're trying to add like ethics to it too. So it was fun teaching the kids, but they're super smart too. Like they're so quick when they use the different tools and to use them. So that's amazing. And then like seeing how like corporates, like people in corporates are far away, but the kids, how fast they use it, it just shows, you know, people are cooked if they do not learn AI, especially with the newer generation, like using it like it's simple. So, you know, basically that's what our company does, right? It's upskilling, which does make so much sense, but they'll be cooked compared to these kids, like 9-year-old kids with the power of AI, and they're just using it so simply, and people are like resisting to use it in the workplace. That is like 2 different worlds. It was amazing seeing that. Now, you know, we'll go grab lunch/dinner, and we'll continue editing our YouTube video for the week. I am editing the video for this week. I am around Hudson Yards, and yeah, we already created content for today, even though it's Saturday and I try not to work. I'm like, if I could finish this today, then I'll have more relief, like the feeling would be better. So even though Saturdays are no work day, we'll try to get this done, and then this could literally feel amazing, which is a reward by itself. So let's get it to editing. Just wrapped up my editing. Finally we have it done. Like the feeling is just amazing for the week, you know. Like my week basically ends when the YouTube video gets posted, and then it's a new week. After that, it's like Monday after that, but tomorrow is Sunday, so it's exciting. It's exciting. So now we can chill. Now I can freely, you know, enjoy today. Welcome back to a Sunday. Today was super productive. This morning I worked a lot on the website. Like our platform got way better, like aesthetically better. More courses added. The flow kind of flows better now. It was exciting working on it in the morning. I was basically doing laundry, and then since I was waiting for that, I just worked on it, and it was perfect. And then we already posted our YouTube content. So today's Sunday, taking it chill, and it's all about getting ready for Monday. And right now, today though, Saturday and Sundays. Saturdays when I do my work with NGOs, the kids, helping them learn AI. But then Sunday I do a part-time gig, so we might head out there in the afternoon. But then before that, I'll just catch up with fam, and then we'll head out.